So, but then I said, well, what would that mean to you? And they said to me, well, they thought back to the cardiac world, and the goal would be that all the leads would go into all the batteries. So if I change from Biotronic to Saluda or Saluda to Biotronic, I could just hook it up and it'd be fine. And that, we'd all sing Kumbaya, we'd all share waveforms and closed loop, and we'd all have this great world. Who thinks that's going to happen? So I thought, man, if I talk about that, I came from West Virginia, we like to stir things up, And so you go back to the Roman Empire, and you had, the original of the first ever neuromodulation, which was peripheral nerve stimulation. We've talked about it many times, treating migraines and gout with torpedo fishes. And then you go to Michael Faraday in Britain, and then that evolved into quackery almost. They were always trying to be exciting. So why would we get boring now? Where I come from, we call it being as boring as sliced bread.